Hey everybody, this video will go over the topic finding the asymptotes of a rational function linear over linear. So let's graph all vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the function f of x equals 6x minus 13 over 4x plus 6. So the first step is let's just graph the vertical asymptotes. So when we're dealing with vertical asymptotes, you remember we can't ever let the bottom equal 0. So that's how we find the domain, right? Well, that's also with rational functions going to help us find the vertical asymptotes. So 4x plus 6 can never equal 0. So let's subtract 6. 4x equals 6. Divide by 4. And we get x equals 3/2. So we're going to have a vertical asymptote that has this as the equation of that line. So x equals 3/2 is at 1.5. So we're going to have a vertical asymptote at 3/2. Okay, now what about the horizontal? Well, for the horizontal, we look at the degree of the top and the degree of the bottom. The highest degree of the top is 1. So that means n equals 1. The degree of the bottom we refer to as m, and m here also equals 1. Now I go over this in a previous video. The graph finding the asymptotes of a rational function constant over linear is a video I go over this. But now for horizontal, we have the degree of the top is equal to the degree of the bottom, which means our horizontal asymptote is going to be at a sub n over b sub m. And what is a and what is b again? Those are the leading coefficients of our numerator and our denominator. So this is going to equal 6/4, which is 3/2. Now remember, it looks like we got the same thing, right? So, but we have y equals 3/2. So that's a horizontal line at y is 3/2, which is there. So for this topic, you only need to find the asymptotes, and you're done.